Hi guys, it's Richard1967. Today I'm showing you some different packaging that Astonish have been using of late. This is the old 500 gram tub. Now I obviously need the end of that because I've been using it to clean this fireplace screen. This is the new packaging that they've brought out, just so you don't get confused in the shops. Why isn't you can't find any of them anymore? Because I think they've stopped doing it. This is a 150 gram tub. I'm going to open that up, see what it looks like. So it's pretty much exactly the same. I mean, that's virtually out now. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to try it out on this fire screen, see if it's the same sort of quality, because I've been using this like every day, so I'm nearly out. Alright. There was a few stubborn marks down here actually. I couldn't get out. Tell you what, I've noticed as well, the smell has improved tremendously. That it's one of those things, but if you're using it all the time, this actually smells a lot more cleaner, almost like Jif. You know that smell you get from Flash? Really clean smell. So let's see if that's got it off all right. Yeah, really good that. That's better. In fact, I would say the new one's even better. That is an original, better than this. Maybe because that's older, I don't know. But this seems to be a lot more. It cleans better. So that's it, guys. Okay. Look at that. I'm going to polish that up now. So polish it up with a bit of paper. Nice and clean. Thanks guys. With the help from Astonish. See you soon. Bye for now. Goes a long way as well.